You're only as young as your arteries. Dr. William Osler. After 60, there are 3 common fats that can silently clog your blood flow, stiffen your arteries, and increase your risk of stroke, even if you feel healthy. I'm a chemist, and today, I'll show you exactly what to cut out before it's too late. As we age, our blood vessels become more vulnerable, and certain fats make that process worse. Let's start with the first one: trans fats, the artery killers found in many packaged foods, margarine, and shelf-stable snacks. Trans fats are chemically altered to extend shelf life, but they come at a cost. They increase LDL, bad cholesterol, and lower HDL, good cholesterol. Worse, they cause inflammation in the lining of your blood vessels, making it easier for plaque to build up. Even small amounts can stiffen arteries and increase the risk of heart attack or stroke by up to 23%. Check food labels for partially hydrogenated oils. That's your red flag. Saturated fats, especially from processed meats. Saturated fats aren't all bad, but after 60, moderation is critical, especially when it comes to processed meats like sausage, bacon, and salami. These fats raise LDL cholesterol and can narrow your arteries over time. Your blood pressure rises, your circulation weakens, and your risk of memory loss and dementia increases, according to multiple studies. Choose lean meats. Avoid daily consumption of red meat and heavy cheeses. Your brain and heart will thank you. Oxidized oils, the silent inflammers. The third is the most overlooked: oxidized fats from reheated oils, often found in fast food and deep-fried items. Every time oil is reused at high heat, it breaks down into unstable molecules that damage your arteries from the inside. These fats accelerate aging, inflammation, and oxidative stress, all major drivers of heart disease and fatigue after 60. Even one serving of food cooked in oxidized oil can trigger measurable arterial stiffness in just hours. Your blood vessels carry life through every part of your body: your heart, your brain, your muscles, your eyes. By removing these 3 fats from your diet, you're not just improving heart health, you're protecting your energy, memory, and independence. In the next video, I'll show you which fats actually help clean your arteries and improve circulation after 60. Subscribe if you care about your long-term health, and share this with someone you love.